Floorcare.biz is proud to present the Nilfisk Adfinity 20D. The Adfinity 20D is a walk-behind battery-powered machine featuring a 20-inch cleaning path. The Adfinity 20D has a 20-inch Squeegee Assembly, 14.5-gallon solution tank, and 14.5-gallon recovery tank, making all your jobs a breeze. This unit also features a traction drive for increased productivity, simple and intuitive controls to minimize training, and is easy to maintain with open access to all critical systems, making the Nilfisk Adfinity 20D a great addition to your equipment fleet. Your unit will ship to you with batteries, charger, and red pads with driver, and is covered under a dead on arrival and 30-day parts warranty. All machines in stock will ship out the same day and arrive to you in 3 to 5 business days. To place an order, click the link in the description, visit us online at floorcare.biz, email us at sales@floorcare.biz, or call us at 217-233-8932. We look forward to hearing from you. Floorcare.biz, where your floors are our business.